Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good to see you again. So today I'll be showing you how to tint your closure with your foundation. So first of all, you prepare your foundation. I'm using two shades of foundation because this is not my wig. I'm tinting this wig for a customer. So I'm mixing these two shades together so that it will give a lighter look. So this is the two shades I'm mixing together. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on that subscription button now. Please like this video, share this video, comment on this video if you are enjoying this video. Thank you. I'm mixing it together with the tip of my brush. Then you start tapping your foundation on the foundation with the brush on the closure, like the way I'm doing now. Don't apply too much foundation so that it won't stain the closure too much. Just little application will be okay. It's not necessary you use a brush. You can also use a beauty blender like that beauty blender that looks like foam. You can also use it to apply the foundation on the closure. So guys, this is the finished look. Can you see the difference in the first video and now? This is looking exactly like the skin color. So this is just another way to tint your closure using your foundation, and I hope you gain little thing from what I have shown you guys. Thank you for staying back. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.